Listen, if she's not interested, you can't force her to miss you. You can't text her into desire. You can't nice guy your way into her heart. But you can make her feel something she's not expecting. And when you do it right, she'll catch herself thinking about you, even when she swore she never would, even when she told her friends you were just a friend, even when she thought she had you all figured out. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to flip that switch without chasing, without begging, without losing your self respect. Because when you understand this, you stop being an option and you become the one she can't stop thinking about. This isn't about manipulation. This is about understanding human psychology at a level most men never do. And by the end of this, you'll know exactly why she's not missing you right now and the step by step method to change that. So let's start with the painful truth, why she's not missing you at all. And if you think it's because you're not good enough, you're about to learn the real reason why she's not missing you. Picture this: she barely responds to your messages. When you ask her out, she's busy. She talks to you like you're a buddy, and the conversation has the energy of a weather report. You've tried being nicer, you've tried being more available, and somehow she's less interested than before. Here's the brutal truth: everything you think you know about attracting an uninterested woman is wrong. The harder you try to convince her of your worth, the more you confirm her suspicion that you're not worth her romantic attention. Why? Because in her mind, there's no scarcity. You're always there. Your attention has no cost. It's not rare, it's not exclusive, it's background noise. And in today's world, she's drowning in male attention. Social media DMs, compliments, likes. Every man is pushing himself into her awareness. And your efforts just blend in. Her brain has to protect itself from that flood of attention. And the way it does that is by filtering you out. She's not rejecting you because you're not enough. She's indifferent because you've given her no reason to notice the difference. Human beings are wired to notice contrast. We ignore what's common. We crave what's rare. And when your attention is abundant, it has no value. Which means if you want her to miss you, you don't give her more, you give her less. Because here's the paradox: the moment she feels your absence, she'll notice the void you leave behind. And that's when curiosity starts working in your favor. So if giving her more makes her care less, what exactly makes her start missing you? That's where the real strategy begins: how to make her miss you. Before we go deeper, just do one thing for me: hit the like button. If this is already hitting something real, what's coming next will hit even harder. Let's keep going. Here's the first move, and it's the hardest for most men: disappear from her front row. Not in a petty, angry way. Not with a dramatic, "I'm blocking you" announcement. Just vanish from her everyday life. No more constant texts. No more likes on her posts. No more showing up as her backup plan. Stop viewing her stories. Stop reacting to her pictures. In the digital age, disappearing from her online world is often more noticeable than disappearing from her physical one. Why? Because this creates a pattern. Interrupt. Your name is gone from her notifications. The familiar background noise is gone, and human brains hate unfinished patterns. But here's the catch: your absence can't look empty. This is where most men fail. They disappear and then sit at home sulking, refreshing her Instagram. That's not attractive. You need to build a full, visible life: friends, hobbies, gym, travel, new pictures, new energy. When she sees your life is moving forward without her, two thoughts hit instantly. One, wow, he's actually fine without me. Two, Wait, who is he spending all that time with? That second thought is gold because it's the start of curiosity. Now we layer in social proof. Post moments from your life that happen to include other people, especially women. Don't force it. Don't pose with strangers just to make her jealous. Authenticity wins. And here's something most guys miss: memory triggers, inside jokes, unique references, a certain song, scent, or phrase that's tied to you. So when she hears it or sees it again, you pop back into her mind without lifting a finger. Add to that intellectual stimulation, share things that expand her mind, new perspectives, interesting ideas, skills she doesn't have. When you're gone, she's not just missing your attention, she's missing the way you made her think. And when the time comes to reemerge, do it strategically, not 2 days later. Not when she first sends a "Hey stranger" text. Wait long enough for her to feel your absence. 2 to 6 weeks, depending on how often you used to talk. Come back better than before. More confident, more fit, more focused. No explanation, no apology. Just the energy of a man who's been living well. That's how you turn indifference into intrigue. And here's the thing: when you pull this off, it's not just about her missing you. It's about you becoming the kind of man no one forgets. I know it's not easy. When you like someone, your instinct is to give more, to prove your value. But in reality, that's the very thing that kills attraction. You've got to step back. Not because you're playing games, but because you're building a life so rich, so full, so magnetic, that whether she's interested or not, you're still winning. If this feels like it's hitting home, drop a comment with the word value so I know you're serious about leveling up, and hit that subscribe button.